Friends, in our online session we read the lesson number 8, that is an ant and a pattern. Now in this session I am going to explain you what is the meaning or what is the story of this lesson. Students, already you know that in this lesson we met Hina and Rohit. Hina and Rohit communicate with each other about something. What is the conversation between them? Okay. Open the textbook on page number 56. Hina has an ink pot on her table. Means here is the description of Hina's study table. Okay. On that study table, Hina have one ink pot, ink bottle. Means when we use the ink pen, at that time we have to fill ink in that pen. So we have one bottle of ink. Mostly we use now refill or ball pen. Okay, but there are some ink pen also. Okay. So there is one ink bottle on the table of Hina's study table. Okay. It has ink in it. It does not have a lid. What happened? That ink bottle doesn't have the lid. Lid means what? Cap. ढक्कन. उसे ढक्कन नहीं था. Okay. Hina sees something moves inside the ink pot. She calls her brother. What happened? When Hina came there, he saw that something is moving in that ink bottle. So he called his brother. Do you know, when we are drinking tea and sometimes what happened? Or tea or milk when we drink, at that time sometimes what happen, when we keep aside, at that time flies fall on that tea. Is it right? No? Like that something is moving on that ink bottle. So Hina called her brother. Her brother name is Rohit. Hina says, there is something inside the ink pot. And Hina shows to her brother that, see, here is something in the ink pot. Rohit says, yes, it looked like a tiny insect. So Rohit also watch in the or see in the ink pot and saying, yes, there is something small insect like ant, like flies, anything. Okay. Hina, look, it moves about. Hina says that, see, that insect trying to come out. Rohit, keep a white sheet of paper. Let the insect crawl over it. So, Rohit gave an idea to keep a white paper near the ink pot. So, when that insect came out and crawl, means walk on that paper, at that time the footprints of that insect are visible on that white paper. Okay. Hina, oh, it's an ant. When that insect came out, that time Hina understood that it is an ant. What a lovely pattern it makes. When that ant crawl on that white paper, it look very nice pattern. The pattern looks like an elephant. That pattern looks like an elephant. Understood? See, what is mean by pattern? Here is a clue. Okay? Here are some dash and blank. When we join all the dashes, we got the shape of star. Understood? And that dotted part is called pattern. Understood? Students, see the one activity. Suppose it is a ink pot. Maybe any insect fall in that. Suppose this thread I am going to put in this color water, okay, and when we keep here on white paper like that, okay, we got a pattern. Understood? See what we do. We take color water thread, I dip this thread in that water, again I put on the white paper, gently press it, and after that we got a pattern. Understood the concept of theme? Or concept theme of the lesson? See, the second part of this topic, okay, picture day, on page number 57. Pooh gets out of bed. Today is picture day at school. Pooh takes her crayons with her. She says, "I'm happy. I have all my crayons." She loves to draw an apple. She never uses an eraser when she draws. Pooh comes near a pond. She looks down into the water. She sees a picture of her own face. This water knows how to make pictures, said Pooh happily. See students, this is also interesting and very funny story. Here is one girl or one character. That's name is Pooh. Okay. She wake up early in the morning and she was very happy that day because there is a picture day in her school. Okay. And Pooh loves to draw. Means Pooh's hobby is drawing. When Pooh is started to draw, there is no need to erase. Means there is the perfection of drawing in the Pooh which pictures drawn. Okay. So what she says? She says, I feel very happy, and she is very happy because that was the picture day and she was ready with crayons, pencils and everything. Okay. When she went to the school, what happened? There is pond means a small part where is the water, and when she saw towards the water, what happens? When we see in the water, what happens? We saw our reflection, our face in that water. Yes, no? Okay. Like that, Pooh saw in the water, and what happened? The reflection of Pooh on that water. And Pooh says, oh, so nice. Here, this water knows how to make pictures. Means what she thought? She thought that the picture of Pooh drawn by the water. Means उसे क्या लगा कि water ने उसका picture बनाया है. ऐसा होता है? नहीं. हम जब plain water में देखते हैं, clean water में देखते हैं, तो क्या होता है? हमारा वो reflection होता है, हमारा face हमको दिखता है. उस picture को Pooh क्या बोल रही थी कि water को पता है कि कैसे picture draw करना है. Understood? So students, you have to read this next part of lesson and send me audio. Thank you.